Kani gade Pati CTV.
Hene kasngi ka khatsan trek unai weng. U convener jo ka matcha prang movement uba Michael CM ulami perthai biang bankran halor ka an Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Act 2012. Uba Michael CM ulapan pau ka jingbam sngo yahap ka jong u ya ka senjam ka balasiam lagi katdo ka ne ki pastor ki balet ujor sa ka yeng syari jong ka Meghalaya High Court persya ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ka balapan trek kam ya ka ni ka an song kha song man. Uni unong ilam jong matcha frang movement ulaong bah ka jing sisa kene ka an kam sem la pendu bor ki pastor ne ya ki nong ilam niam handai ka jing perkheng ya ki bala song kurem ka long tang ban register how register jong ka sarkar khanang ban bo jing khen ya ki habakran ba kinong pathai ka bor handai ka sngi hasilong press club uba Michael CM ulaong bah ka por ba ka sarkar jala ka penmi ya ka jing pan jing mon na ki pai ba halor kene ka an balai kini ki pastor kimlet ban ajing mon hakata ka por balai pat menta kilet sa ka yeng syari Haga jing sisa kom ki pastor ki dei bane yakendo yak sarkar pan ajing mot lada don kanu ka jing kta yakar kom trikam jongki nalor kani uba Michael CM lo ongru ba haka jilla Meghalaya ki don bon ba ki jaka rikhon swat nalor kata ki kin thai ki baket khun rei hakin nong ndong namar kam don ka an ka bakhlain jong sarkar ba dungai skam ba nang ni skhmat ling ba kani ka an song kha song man ki kin thai kin dan yak hok ban yo bai bam lada ja ba kurem jong ka uye no tang siteng por.
The thing is, what did these pastors, did they notice that there was so much of increasing number of broken homes, broken marriages, even among Christians, and the problems faced by such families? So what solutions did these pastors propose? So the question that we are asking them is that, did they see these problems? Did they ask themselves why Manchaprang was campaigning for this act? When all along, every time, I think, how many times we have called press conference? So many times. They should have realized that there are problems, that's why you are campaigning for this law. But now, suddenly, they've come up and gone to court and saying that, no, Christians should be exempted. Well, if the Christians are exempted because of that Indian Marriage Act, then other religions also will say, no, exempt us also. Everyone will say, Sanghasi, Hindu, Muslims, and all will say exempt. So the very purpose of the act will be defeated.
Kani gade Pati CTV.